Okay, we have a Southwestern Industries CNC vertical milling machine, model DPM V3, serial number 043BJ12998. This machine was new in 2004 and we're going to run it for you. Okay, he's running the X-axis. The table is 50 by 10 and it has 30 inches of X travel, 17 inches of Y, and 21 inches of Z. The axes are quiet. When he uses the remote, the jog handle there, the hand wheel, digital hand wheel. You also have a digital hand wheel for the X-axis and the Y. The machine has tracking because it does have digital hand wheels. It's a 40 taper spindle, 1000 RPM. You have a direct drive there up to 5000 RPM. 2000 RPM, it's nice and quiet. Machine is 40 taper, as I said, with a power drawbar, air actuated power drawbar. Hey, I think you've seen the machine move and do its thing. Thank you for watching our video.